Well, what I'll be talking about is the concept of deliberate animal harm and the use of that as a red flag for warning us that there's potential problems ahead. So particularly if we see children engaging in deliberate animal harm, it's an indicator that something's not necessarily going quite right in their lives. It might be an indicator early onset of something like conduct disorder, where early interventions, obviously the earlier we can get in there and intervene, the better. Or it could be an indicator that there's more systemic family problems. There might be family violence, there might be child abuse or other forms of family abuse. So deliberate animal harm is something that shouldn't be overlooked. It should be taken very seriously. However, having said that, some children just normally go through sort of a developmental phase where they explore animals, if you like, and then it's dependent on how the parents react to that situation and whether that kind of escalates further or whether it just disappears as part of a normal developmental pattern. But I'll be focusing mainly on situations where the deliberate animal harm is something that's of concern, is something that needs treating and intervening with. What I'll be looking at is sort of three different ways in which we can use this idea in the overall rubric of deliberate animal harm leading to problematic behaviour in the future. The first of those is humane education, where we try and embed sort of a concept around caring for animals, appropriate treatment of animals, humane treatment of animals within the school curriculum. Because research is showing us that humane treatment of animals and teaching kids about humane treatment of animals actually promotes person-to-person empathy and is shown to reduce bullying in schools. It reduces sort of interpersonal conflict and can just promote general empathy and positive interactions between humans and animals and humans. So that's sort of the one stream I'm looking at. The other stream I'll be talking about is using animals within an animal-assisted therapy kind of framework where animals can be used within a therapeutic situation to try and stop children engaging in animal harm or to work with children who are showing trauma from abuse. And I'll be outlining a study that I recently completed down in Bundaberg with children who'd been sexually assaulted or physically assaulted and were engaging in animal harm, and used a animal-assisted therapy paradigm with them and had very, very good results. And then the third stream that I'll be talking about and probably spending a bit of time on is a treatment model called AnyCare, which has been developed in the States and is being used very successfully to treat children who are engaging in animal harm, either as part of conduct disorder, as an indicator of abuse that they themselves have suffered, or as part of a developmental kind of trajectory that we want to try and intervene on early.